什么变得这么奇怪？难道大家都忘了我们传播的友谊了吗？
受着呗！
阿巴刺，阿巴刺。
Hello, every pony! It's me! And this is my very own show. Hello, Pinky!
Who are you? My name is Darth Vader. I am an extraterrestrial from the planet Vulcan.
Mom! Dad!
Silence! My heat ray will vaporize you if you do not obey me!
Okay, I surrender.
You, George McFly, have created a rift in the space-time continuum!
I'm sorry, I didn't mean it.
Sorry doesn't cut it, George. The Supreme Klingon hereby commands you to take the female unit known as Baines Lorraine to the place called Hill Valley High School, exactly 4 Earth cycles from now. That's this Saturday night, George.
You mean... you want me to take Lorraine to the dance?
Affirmative.
I don't know if I can do that.
Take your time. Just a live show, no big deal or anything. So, are you fans of the show? Oh no! The birdies! You can't build a nest there! Oh no! The bunnies! Get away from that camera! Oh no! The puppies! It's not time for the base to drop. Oh no, the gummy! You're doing great. Keep up the good work.
Okay, all right. I'll do it. I'll take Lorraine to the dance. Just please.
Now close your eyes and see me no more.
Okay.
Lunch hour. Perfect. Winter lab. We're in, Tank. Now we just gotta figure out a way to shut it down. Sabotage snowflakes? I think we gotta go bigger than that. Wait here. We could get rid of these clouds, but that's still not big enough. Slam dunk! With no water, they can't make clouds or snow. They can't make winter! I hate to do this to those weather ponies, but desperate times call for desperate measures. Oopsie! Looks like these were a little loose. And there goes winter down the drain. I can't see. Let's get out of here!
What in the name of Celestia is going on up there?
Prepare yourselves, every pony. Winter is coming.
Black magic of the worst kind! Come on, Kay! To the attack! Oh! Hold it!
Heaven preserve us!
Every pony, look out!
Don't mention it to Zip. But yes! None of my clip trots have been doing well. These super popular and adorable ponies, the Philly Four, have been totally slaying the game! I'm not saying it's a competition or anything, but this post has got thousands of hoof taps. My latest post only got 3 likes and 1 monkey. And I don't even know what a monkey means!
In a little bit of a slump?
I've been trying everything lately. Singing loudly, singing softly, singing in general. Oh, my hoofness. What if I've been shadow banished?
I don't know what that means, but it sounds ominous.
Thank you, Jazz. Shadow banishing is when your content gets blocked to viewers. I mean, it has to be that, right? There can't be any other explanation.